We are here in Rwanda, baby. Let's go. We are here in Rwanda, y'all. Let's have some fun, bro. Let's go outside, bro. I'm not about to yap too much, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go, chat. I'm not about to even yap, y'all. Let's get out the car, y'all. Oh, yeah, bro. What's good, bro? What language y'all speak in Rwanda? No English. Can he speak no English here?
I'm your friend.
You my friend?
Yeah, I'm Jacob from here.
You my friend?
Yeah.
Are we friends now?
I'm friend on Instagram.
We friends on Instagram?
Yeah.
iSHOW, can I?
Okay.
I'm a friend on Instagram.
iSHOW.
Tell I guess we friends on Instagram. Bro, you got a messy shirt, bro. You have a messy shirt. These kids got messy shirts. Hey, bro, teach me a word in Rwanda.
Amakuru.
Amakuru?
Amakuru.
Amakuru.
Yeah.
Good?
Greetings in Rwanda.
Amakuro. Mamakuro. 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 The hell is this? How do I draw this?
I have to change for you, my bro. My name is Kagarara, bro.
Kagarara.
Kagarara. Say Kagarara. My name is Kagarara.
Kagarara.
Yes, I have to change for you.
What a challenge.
The first one to make push-up for you, my bro.
Push-up?
Push-up, bro.
You want to do a push-up?
Yeah, my brother want to... Come on. Good game though, good game. The bear, the bear! The bear! The bear! What the hell? What is the bear doing? Hey, calm down. Calm down, bear. What is this bear on? What?
What the ship, bro? I'll clear the ship.
What is he even saying? Nah, but what is he even saying?
I'll clear the ship.
What? What is he even saying?
I'll clear the ship.
What is he saying? Oh, what?
I'll clear this Rwanda.
What?
This is my situation. The stadium. I'll touch the stadium.
What?
I'll touch the stadium.
What?
I'm not a stadium. I'm a situation.
You not even saying
I'm a
nothing.
situation, bro. You cannot win me. You cannot win me. Hey, let's touch it.
pit?
Yes, repeat.
Oh, who the hell is joking? We got the African joking. Man, what? No, what you trying to do? We can box, homie. We can box. We can box, bro. We can fight, man.
We can do this shit.
We can box, bro. If you really do that, put your life on the line. We can do that. And I promise you gonna lose, bro. Bring the gloves. You got gloves, bro. You got gloves. Get some gloves. Get some gloves to do something like the lens, bro. Let's go. We gotta go. Child, are we back? We good. Hey, hey, next location. Come on, bro. It's too crazy over here. Oh, you on top of the Boii. Yo. Rwanda, what's up? Rwanda, what's up? I'm a Heart of Those Stadium.
Yeah.
Damn, this is a big, wait, this might be the biggest stadium I've seen in Africa.
This is the biggest stadium. It holds over 45,000 people.
What? How many?
45,000 people.
God damn.
It's so big.
45,000.
So beautiful.
45,000 people is crazy.
Amahoro means peace.
Really?
Peace.
So it's the Peace Stadium?
Yes.
Wow. Hey! Africa, bro. Honestly, bro. This stadium is crazy, bro. Stadium is honestly insane, bro.
No.
We say Mulaho, say
Mulaho, everybody in Rwanda.
everybody. iSHOW.
Mulaho.
Basketball court here?
Yeah, this is the only arena we have here in Chicago.
Yo, what?
If I'm in my first show, everybody got to subscribe and like.
Oh, no. I got you. Warm up.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ooh, hold on, wait. I gotta warm up for real. Hold on. You a player here? What team you play for? APR?
Yes, sir.
BAL, what's that?
Basketball African League.
Basketball Africa League?
NBA Africa.
NBA Africa?
NBA Africa, man.
It's the NBA Africa League?
Yeah, NBA sponsored everything.
For real?
Something like that.
You the best three-point shooter? All right, let's fix it. First to five, first to five. Bro, you been in here warming up, bro. You sweating already, bro. Alright, you won. Now let's race now. Come on now, bro. Tell you, I think I was running for real. I was really looking at him the whole race.
You about to jump over me? Bro, don't. What the? Come on, bro. Hey, this is the last one.
That was close.
Put the ball in the hoop, bro. You gotta make one. What the hell going on with you, bro? Come on, you gotta make one, bro. I'm not leaving till you make one. Just put the ball in the hoop. Bro, I think you nervous, bro.
Good.
Gee, oh, wait, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in. That was the 8th one. Come on, bro.
How'd you hear?
Bro, come on, bro. There you go. He got it. He finally got it.
Let's go.
Locked in, chat. He locked in. He locked in, bro. He finally got it, bro.
Look at that shit, bro.
You alright?
Wait. Shit, I think I
You tore your ACL?
Yeah, I tore it.
Deadass? Yo, go need the medics.
Shit.
You a medic?
I can get one.
Right here.
He tore the ACL. He tore his ACL.
I did.
I can't believe that just happened, bro. Everybody in chat hit that like and sub on. Real talk, bro. Thank you, bro. Nah.
Acrobatics and gymnastics.
Okay.
Just we insert everything.
Okay.
So be ready for the yeah.
Turn the audio fire.
Our name is Champion Sport Academy.
Bro, why you got this picture, bro? Let me show you.
Calm down!
Why you got that picture, bro? Why you got this picture? Bro, why you got this picture, homie? Nah, bro. What the fuck is this, bro? I told you they must be that now. Yes! Okay, don't push him. Sorry. Oh, the switch is speaking. You shotgun, we have shotgun. Messi. Messi is better, bro. Messi. I know how to cover, bro.
I know, I said that.
This way, guys. Move out the way. Move out the way. Move out the way. Watch the stand. Watch the stand. Make space. Make space. Out the way! Move! Out the way! Oh, speed up! Love you, bro! Love you, bro!
Oh my God! Holy crap! Yo! Wait, let him through, let him through! Let him through! Yo, this is crazy! Wait, let them through, let the art through. Yo! That is crazy! Yo! This is, I know, it like represents Rwanda. Because Rwanda has the rhythm. Tell me who art, bro. Yo, Rwanda can draw. That's hard. Hey, that's hard. That's hard. Bro, you just leaked your number, bro. Your number leaked. We gotta check. What the hell? What is this?
Yeah, it's a cake. It's a cake. It's a cake. It's a cake, Steve.
It's a cake?
It's a cake. It's a cake. You wanna cut it?
You made this?
Yeah, I made it. You wanna cut it, bro? You wanna cut it?
Should we cut it?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Let's cut it.
What?
It's a cake. They destroyed it on the way.
Bro, this is a cake.
Can I get enough dough?
So I can bite it?
You can.
I can bite it?
Yeah. It's a chocolate.
I want to touch
Chocolate, bro. Yeah, it's a cake.
It's really a cake.
It's a cake.
How'd you make that?
It's literally inside the cake. It's the chin is the foam, and then inside is a cake. This is fondant, and this is mother chocolate.
Go right here.
Okay, you guys follow me on Instagram. It's Cake and Cookie Master. You follow me, guys. It's Cake and Cookie Master. And shout out to iSHOW Speed for making this cake possible.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, thank
Love,
you.
bro. iSHOW Speed Cake.